viewers, you're welcome to Tech Solutions with Tom, and today we are going to be looking at something different. Okay, so a friend of mine sent me this link and I feel like, okay, let me look into it and see how it feels. So I'm not going to do it all alone, we're going to do it together. You watch me do it and also you can give it a try also. If today is your first time coming across this video, make sure you click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a video like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. And I want to especially welcome you to my YouTube channel. All right, and for all our returning subscribers, I want to say thank you for all you have been doing. All right, and also if you're getting value from my channel, please make sure that you give us a thumbs up so that YouTube can rate or rank our videos and also show it to other people on YouTube. All right, so the name of the website is called Poe AI. Okay, let's try this Poe AI. All right, so let's try this. Okay, the first one. Okay, I have not signed up. It's asking us to continue with Google or you use your email here. So let me just use my email, thompsonfadaisi@gmail.com. Okay, so let's click again. All right, share your name, email, language preferences, and okay, let's go on, continue. All right, we are on this site, so let's give it a try. Okay, assistant, new chat. So which question should I ask now? Which African team is playing today? Question mark. Let's ask if this is making sense. I'm sorry, but as an AI model, I don't have real time. Whoa. Okay, so that's the assistant cannot answer this question. So let's look for another. Let's explore. Okay, let's do a web search. Okay, this is 3.5, so let's do a web search. Let me create a blog post on recent developments in autonomous vehicle. Okay, let me ask the same question. Which African team is playing football today? Okay, this is searching the web today. Whoa, wow, I think I'm loving this. This gave us the correct answer. Nigeria and Angola, they are playing, and there is an African Cup of Nations quarterfinal match taking place. Yeah, this is correct, absolutely. Who are the top scorers in there so far? Let's check this again. Okay, as of now, the top scorer in the African Cup of Nations 2024 are as follows. Whoa. The first one is from Equatorial Guinea, 5 goals. That is Emilio Lopez. Mustafa Mohamed, 4 goals from Egypt. Gelsin. Whoa, I'm loving this. Okay, so let's check. Let's explore another. This is GPT-4. It has limited access. Let's try Playground version 2. Okay, what can I do here? Generate high quality images based on user prompts. Allow user to specify. Okay, so let's go with this. You can also put your own prompt. I don't have any prompts in mind, so let's just put this. Let me try this and see what is going to show up here. Whoa, a dreamlike scene of a cat tea party on a floating cloud. Alice in Wonderland meets Studio Ghibli. No humans or horror. Whoa, this is lovely. Okay, let me put a prompt. A computer genius in a room with gadgets. Okay, let's see this. Let's see this. What's going to be generated? Whoa, this is something else. All right, you can also click on this. So please guys, you also can just go and explore the place. We have the DAL here 3 limited access, we have the stable diffusion, we have the llama, we have cloud instance, this particular Gemini Pro. Guys, don't sleep on this. Just make sure that you explore everything you're seeing here. It's a nice one. I don't want this video to be too long, so you also can take a look at this website, try to do something with it, and let me know what you experience in the comment section. Okay, and if you have gotten value from this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and also turn on your notification bell. Okay, and without further ado, I'm going to say bye.